So how to take your website backup from cPanel? Okay, let's see. Log in your website cPanel first. This is my website cPanel interface. If your cPanel interface is different, no problem. First you need to find File, Manager. Go to File Manager section. Then you need to go public HTML section. All website data include this public HTML folder, so you need to go there. Then you need to select all file. Then need to click compress. This is the interface you will see after clicking compress button. Then I want to select zip archive, then compress file. Need some time to compress it. Yes, has successfully compressed. Then press close. You see, this is the new zip file, CGI bin zip, and now we will download this file. First I want to change backup file. Rename, then press the right button on mouse and download.